Shifting news. Explore, feel, shift.
Mambo, kwa salama?
Yeah, so guys, this is a new construction.
Yeah, part of the 28 billion Kenyan shillings.
Part of the 28 billion Kenyan shillings.
Railway City. Is it 28 billion or more?
So this forest is called the
Ngong Forest. Yeah, I think the Karen or mostly Ngong Forest. From the driver or the operator, he's saying this railway line is going through the forest to Ngong. Then it will join the Riruta at the bridge.
How to just go.
You can do a voiceover or the intro on the other side.
Let me also hold it from here.
Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you doing? How is everything? I hope you're doing well. To all our returning supporters, we say thank you for the continued support that you always give us. To all our new visitors, make sure you join this amazing family. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And last time we were here with the Talani rebranded, and we did an update along this area, and today we are also back here. We wanna see the changes. Habari? Mambo? Kwa salama? Mtu anaweza ruka huko kweli? Wa. Sawa.
But this one we can walk.
Yeah.
But what if the train come?
See, we just go the other side.
Wow, guys.
This is the railway line. So, you see the upcoming Nairobi Railway City. I think you have either watched or seen in the papers. So this is part of it.
The Railway City.
Yeah. So they have started from the outside.
So what is going to be here?
This one is a connection from Riruta to Ngong town.
From water?
Riruta. Riruta is just ahead of us.
So this is going to be like a
new railway line. No, this is just a diversion.
A diversion.
Yeah, this one goes to Kikuyu all the way to Kisumu. Yeah, so they're just constructing another one to divert through the forest. There is the Ngong forest. I don't know if we can see some of the activities that are going on here.
Yeah, so guys, this is a new construction.
Yeah, part of the 28 billion Kenyan shillings.
Part of the 28 billion Kenyan shillings.
Railway City. Is it 28 billion or more? It could be more.
Okay, explain to us properly. This is part of
the Nairobi Railway City. Wow,
Nairobi.
They're coming up with some things there. Yeah. Hey, niaje boss? Kwa tu kazi? Si unipandishe kwa lori nifike huko kidogo. Oh. Okay. Lakini mtu akipita hapa hawana shida. Oh. Na sasa hii reli inapita ndani ya forest. Oh, through the forest. Si hii ni ndani ya forest. Oh. Okay. Sawa. Na inaenda kujoin Riruta pale. Oh. Sawa. Shukran. So from the driver or the operator, he's saying this railway line is going through the forest to Ngong. Then it will join the Riruta at the bridge. I don't know if do you remember somewhere we were standing when you alight when you want to join Atalanta Stadium? Somewhere there. That is where the railway line is going to join this one. Yeah.
So is it going to be an SGR or
No,
an
not
MGR?
the normal MGR, but they are going to use the DMUs most likely, because the gauge I believe is going to be a bit wider.
Okay.
Yeah, but not the SGR. The SGR now is through Ngong to Suswa, and now they have planned to extend to Malaba and hopefully to Uganda, Kampala.
Oh, yeah. Also, the other side of the Ugandan side have started.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see the forests.
So this forest is called the
Ngong forests. Yeah, I think the Karen are mostly Ngong forest. Yeah. And guys, in this recording we have Shami Vlog. Make sure she's here. She seems
I haven't understood
the project. But you have explored the Nairobi city.
Yeah.
But Nairobi railway city, I think the other time Tina was at the show, the Jamhuri show, Nairobi International Trade Festival. Huh? Trade show.
Yeah.
They tried to explain about the Nairobi railway city.
Yeah.
Mm.
I wasn't there, so that's why I haven't.
Yeah, I think you'll have to do some research a bit, but it is in partnership the Kenyan government and the UK. Yeah,
And it's estimated to
around 28 billion. I think 28 billion should be the first phase, because there is a lot that is going to be constructed at that Nairobi Central Railway Station.
Okay. Yeah.
And they have started from the outside to make sure that
I've seen a very big animal there crossing.
and also we have Miss Tina's World.
Yeah, as well. I'm here. So we are here to show you this upcoming rail line.
Oh, it's a monkey. Yeah.
Kai. And it's huge. Oh my God. Even the turtle, the kids. So guys, kindly subscribe.
So it's excavation. Guys, I don't know if you remember last time we just saw the other place, and right now they are doing it here.
So we're walking towards the
Lenana school gate. But this way is Riruta towards town.
These are not going to cover us.
Mambo, kwa salama?
Usinikave.
Wanasema usituzike. Tunashika caterpillar ikifanya kazi. Moja sawa, watakufuta kazi waseme you are not He's saying he's saying his letters do not read a caterpillar. Yeah?
What do they call this?
No, this is part of is it plant operator, right?
Yeah.
It's part of the big machines.
Sasa nikuulize kidogo, unaweza kutuelezea kidogo about this project?
It's just an SGR.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hii ni reli yenye inatoka Ngong kushuka hivyo mpaka Junction.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we are excavating. Alafu ndio hivyo.
Oh.
Isikuje kuwa tute mchanga na kutoka ndani.
Oh, so this one will be a bit wider. Oh,
This one is small.
this one is a bit small.
So the other one will be wider.
So mostly DMUs ndo zitakuwa on the other side. Ah. Ah.
All right, thank you.
Is it part of the Nairobi Railway City?
Yeah.
Oh.
But this one is just a small one. So
Ah. Wameanzia nje wakienda sasa.
sasa inafaa kutoka hapa town.
Eh.
Town iko shule.
Mm.
Ienda hivi. Shikana mpaka town sasa.
Oh.
Yeah.
Watu wengi walikuwa nasema the Chinese contractor could have decided to do naitwa ajile underground badala yeah?
Sasa tunnel ziko hapa.
Ni ngumu tunnel.
It's slow.
Oh.
Unless another is mali iko.
Oh.
Sasa inaenda.
Eh.
Lakini sasa hii hakuna, sasa itachuka.
Okay.
Ready part tumekuja mahali nafaa.
Eh. Oh. So hapa ni ngumu sisi kupitia, si ndio? Hapa haturuhusiwi kupitia.
Tunaruhusiwa kupita tu.
Sawa. Shukran.
Na sasa nyinyi hatujawajua na
Oh.
sisi tunatupata ni nyinyi mnaenda kutushtaki.
Shifting news. Tumekuwa kwa expressway.
But tutasema mtoto wangu atalala njaa because amakwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Mm.
Yeah.
Lakini kazi
Iko questionable.
wale watu wa kufanya investigation wale ni kufanya
Sawa, kwa YouTube najita Shifting News. Anaitwa Mistina's World. Mistina's World. And then Shami Vlog UG from Uganda. Yeah?
hata mkienda hivi hakuna
Utapata kama ya Shifting News utapata. Alafu ukiangalia hapo kwa Shifting News unaweza pata link ya hawa.
kana kwa YouTube niko hivi.
Unaweza salamia wananchi. You're okay? Zili sawa? Sawa, thank you. Aya.
You explain.
Yeah?
Now let's go.
So guys, make sure you support us, join this amazing family, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And we have been with Mistina's World. Visit her channel, and also we have been with Shami Vlog UG. So visit their channels, subscribe, like their videos.
Okay, shifting news.
Yes.
Can you try to explain what he has said?
Tena. So, in general, what he has said about the project, it is part of the Nairobi Railway City, and they're connecting to Ngong. But the main terminals will be at Riruta, just some few kilometers or meters from here.
Yeah.
And he says the contractor has at least made sure that they get some employment. Yeah, but he had his sentiments about the general projects.
You tell us because it was in Swahili.
No, he says some of the projects sometimes once the contractor, because you can find that most of these projects, like especially the PPP, like the SGR, right now there is some issues. So once they are left to the general Kenyan, let's say engineers, sometimes you find the project do not now operate in the way they were intended to operate. Yeah, so I think that is in summary what he said.
Okay.
Yeah, but generally this is part of the Nairobi Railway City. Though he said this is an SGR, which I believe is not, because for the SGR, I think they will be doing a lot of massive excavations. Yeah, because
So,
mm.
we don't need those massive excavations.
Really, you know, it is wider.
Yeah.
It is very wide.
This one is going to be wide.
Yeah. Then you consider when you are heading towards town, there is no much space for the SGR. That's why you can't. Yes, it will have a wide, let's say a wide the lines, but it will support the DMUs. You know, the DMUs are a bit faster than the standard MGR. Yeah.
Okay.
And I believe there is something is going.
And what? From the fence.
Yeah, here is a bit. Let's see if we can find on the other side.
Shifting news. Explore.